Peace and blessings, family. This is Master B from the Trading Lounge, welcoming all my members to the lounge and all future traders. I just wanted to rebuild on the power of the Fibonacci and just how powerful it will keep you on the right side of the trade going into the morning opening. Today is February the 22nd. This is the ES market, and checking the red house, we have a red house at 2 o'clock. So sometimes the market will slow down and not really start trending until after. This is a major. It has a red folder. So this is a major news announcement, right? But if we're scalping the market, okay, I think the Fibonacci is an excellent tool, along with some other information to critique the Fibonacci. This red line right here, that is the open. That's when the market opened, starting at midnight. That was the opening price, right? So that is significant on your chart to have on your chart. And Ninja Trader puts it on there, plots it. You can just look for it under current day, high, open, high, and low. I just have the open on there, and just double click on it, and it will put it down here to configure for your chart. Okay, so going into the US session, it was hovering around the opening price. Okay, and then at approximately 9:30, the market made a move down. Now, I want you guys to get familiarized with the levels of the swings. Okay, so we had a high here, and we had a low here that London had established for the overnight. So the US is either going to challenge the high or the low during the course of the US session. Okay, so she made a run down at the opening. She did not take out any of the two, but she did a pullback, right, off of this thrust and during the London session. So I put the Fibonacci on from the low to the high, and I was monitoring that pullback or that thrust down that the US did. Okay, and she did not take out the golden ratio zone. So when this candle at 9:45, our 15-minute candle after the opening, started popping green, I entered the trade here, and my stop loss was at the bottom of that low of that candle. Okay, my target was shooting for TP1, which is way up here. Okay, that was my objective, is to hit target. But when she got up to the 10 o'clock hour, a new hourly bar is coming in, and there was no follow through. I took my trade out. All right. Now, the power of the Fibonacci to keep you on the right side is that when she broke through this Fibonacci golden ratio zone, my buying was all over. It was no longer considering buying. Okay? So at 15 minutes later, the next candle came up and retested. It retested the golden ratio zone for a sell side. Okay? So at this moment, when she came back and retapped the zone and failed to get back above it, that's when you want to drop down to your smaller time frame and look for an entry. You want to look for an entry off of this area, right? Another thing about the 1 minute chart, I am not looking at these individual bars. I'm looking at the pattern of how the 1 minute chart is responding to this 15-minute box. Okay? So she did an impulse down. I'm not getting excited about that because I want to get in at a better price on the pullback. So she pulls back to, this box is from the 15-minute chart. She pulls back to the 15-minute chart on the 1-minute chart and did not break above. I am in this trade for downside short. My stop loss right above this wick. Okay? My target, my potential target is to target these lows. Okay? Now, that's utilizing the 15-minute chart. Now, just to show the power of the Fibonacci, if you was just doing the 1-minute chart, right? Squeeze that chart in, identify where are the highs and the lows. So we had a high here, price goes down. Any attempt to come back to the high and fails, that is your lower high. Okay? There's the low of the day from London. All right? You want to wait till after the New York session opens. After the New York session opens, she ran up 945, 950ish. She did not take out this high. Look for impulse correction continuation. So from this lower high of the London's lower high of last night, you had an impulse down. Okay? Take your fib, go from that lower high to the correction. Look for your golden ratio zone. Now this is on the 1-minute chart. Price action is still the same. It's just going to give you more candles. Okay? That golden ratio zone gives us market direction. Until that golden ratio zone is broke, I am looking for sales and sales only. Once I hit TP1 and have a runner run to TP2, my day is over. Okay? I myself do not care if it continues to go down. I am not in the market to try to get as much as I can. I'm in the market to get my daily targets. All right? Just wanted to do a quick video. I don't want to make this too long on the power of utilizing the Fibonacci on any time frame. It does not matter because the 1, the 5, the 50, they all are the same price. Okay? Peace and blessings, my family. This is Master B out, February 22nd. Hope everybody's having a great day. Peace.